Hey, what's up, you guys? I wanted to make a little video to help you with area and perimeter. Okay, so first we had you work on perimeter, which you would find the distance around something, right? So all the way around. Okay, so if this side was 7, this would be 7, that'd be 7, this would be 7. So you just need to add them up, right? So 7 and 7 would be 14, this 7 and this 7 would be 14. So the area, or the perimeter of the shape would be 28. Okay, if you're going to find the area, okay, instead of measuring the distance around, now we're going to look at the squares inside, right? The amount of size inside the shape. So area, if you remember, you'll multiply height times a width. So 7 times 7 would be your formula to get area. 7 times 7 would be 49. So if you were to draw out all the rows, all the 7 rows and all the 7 columns and count them up, you would get 49. Okay, perimeter, remember that you add up all the sides to find the distance around. Okay, so 5 and 5 would be 10. 3 and 3 would be 6. So the perimeter of the shape would be 16. Okay, area, you're going to multiply a width times a height. Doesn't matter which two, as long as you get a width and a height. So 3 times 5 would equal 15. So there would be 15 squares inside that shape. Okay, perimeter, they did not give us this side, but I know it's 10 because this is 10 down here. And since this one's 5, I know this one's 5. Okay, so to add them up, 10, 20, 25, 30. Perimeter would equal 30. Okay, area, so you're going to multiply a height times a width. 5 times 10 would be 50. Okay, I thought maybe let's just read through these to give you a little help. Maybe I can help point out some of the common mistakes. Okay, so this is where you're going to have to switch between area and perimeter on this level. Okay, Mariah draws a shape with 4 sides. The sides measure 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the shape? So I don't think I'd waste my time drawing a picture. I just know that this says perimeter, and then they give me a measure of all 4 sides, 12, 5, 3, and 10. I know to calculate perimeter, I do an addition problem. Okay. Number 2, it says, what is the perimeter of the shape down here at the very end? It's the same thing. Okay, so make sure you just pay close attention to what they're asking for. So 1 and 2, perimeter. Okay, number 3, a square tile has sides that are 15 inch. What is the perimeter? Right, so each side is 15. A square has 4 sides, so make sure you just add the correct number of 15. Okay. Omar has to paint the fence that goes around his rectangular yard, goes around the entire house. The width measures 40 and the length measures 60. How much fence does he have to paint? So this one, maybe a picture would be helpful. So he's painting a fence around a rectangular yard. Okay. The width is 40 and the length is 60. So this is 40, this is 60. And then they just kind of stop. So you need to remember to calculate all 4 sides, right? Not just 2 that they tell you about. Okay, so make sure you do all 4 sides. Okay, Valkyrie painted a picture and needs to frame it. The width is 45 inches and the length is 82. How much frame does she need for her picture? So this is the same thing. We're kind of trying to trick you a little bit by only giving you 2 numbers, right? 82 is the length, 45 is the width. So don't forget these 2 missing sides that we didn't talk about there. Okay, 6. Here's where we switch into area. Miss Johnson has a garden that measures 6 yards by 9 yards. What is the area of the garden? So remember, you just need to multiply, right? We give you a width and a height. You need to multiply. Okay, Jabril is painting his front door hot pink. The door measures 10 feet by 4 feet. What is the area? So just remember the formula. It is width times length to figure out area, right? Okay, Omar's yard is 40 yards by 60 yards. What is the area of his yard? Same thing. Okay, if you need help with multiplication, I want you to go back and find one of those other videos posted on that formative, right? Okay, Valkyrie painted a smaller picture with the width of 9 inches and a length of 12. What is the area of her picture? So we gave you a width and a length. You just need to multiply them. Okay, and then the last one, Sarah drew a perfect square. One size measures 7. What is the area of her square? Perfect square, which means every side is the same length. So each one's going to be 7. You need to multiply height times width. All right, good luck. Go get it.